Hi, I'm Andrew with Digi's Product Management Group, and today we're going to be taking a first look at the TransPort WR31, Digi's latest LTE enterprise router. Now, we built the WR31 for networking and operations teams at electric and water utilities, SCADA engineering groups, telco infrastructure, traffic control agencies, really any kind of industrial remote monitoring or control application. You can tell the device has all the interfaces oriented on the front of the unit, and that's a little bit of a departure from the 11, the 21, the 44, and we'll explain why that matters in just a second. Let's talk about the features of the device first. So the WR31 comes with 3 cellular network support options. There is a multi-carrier North American LTE. You've maybe heard us refer to that with the GOBI nomenclature. There's a version that supports LTE and 3G networks in Europe and Asia, and then there's a global HSPA option as well. You can see the device has 2 10100 Ethernet ports here, a USB port here, software selectable RS-232, 422, 485 serial here, 9 to 30 volt DC power supplied through this terminal block here. The terminal strip over here has an analog input and then 2 digital I/O for local sensing and alarming functions. Electrical grounding screw here, and then like all TransPort products, the WR31 has a dual SIM slot, in this case located under the screw down cover here. So over the years of developing and selling and supporting industrial comms gear, we've learned that these devices end up getting mounted in really diverse ways. So sometimes we'll see them DIN rail mounted, put in a cabinet, a weatherproof box, shelf mounted, wall mounted, and so forth. So in designing the WR31, we made flexibility in terms of mounting one of our goals. The WR31 ships with this DIN clip. There's no power supply or antennas, those are purchased separately. But this clip here then can be used for wall mounting with these 2 holes here, or, as the name implies, DIN rail mounted like this. In the case of a DIN mount, you would affix the clip there and then just slide the unit down with these sort of teeth here, keyhole mounting right there, and so you're good to go. Now, if you do want to mount it either in an enclosure, here's a little 5x7 weatherproof enclosure, we'll use it as an example, or if you want to just maintain like a lower profile in a wall mount situation, we developed a little, I guess kind of call it an L-shaped bracket here that uses the same basic mounting method as a DIN rail bracket, keyhole slot in there. First, this would be mounted onto the mounting plate here in the enclosure, and then power and antennas and other I/O would be routed out the back of the box. So that's been a look at the TransPort WR31. Check out digi.com/WR31 for more information.